What's the meaning of aerosol? Aerosol. 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 The term aerosol refers to a suspension of liquid or solid particles in a gas. Aerosols can occur naturally, such as in volcanic ash and sea spray, or can be artificially produced, such as from the use of spray cans or air pollution. The presence of aerosols can have both positive and negative effects on the environment and human health. They can contribute to climate change by absorbing or reflecting solar radiation. But they can also cause respiratory problems and other health issues if inhaled. Control measures, such as air filtration and regulation of emissions, are often used to manage aerosol levels.